YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to change oil on a 2007 Suzuki Grand Vitara. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell. Thank you, sir. Let's get straight to the video. We back. So first thing you should do, check the oil. Look, I already know what y'all about to say in the comments below. Why is you checking the oil if you're doing an oil change? I'm gonna tell you why. The reason I check the oil while I'm doing the oil change, just like for inference, you know, it's got 5 quarts. The car take 5 quarts, right? So if the oil level is good, you know, if the oil level where it's supposed to be at, guess what? If 5 quarts come out, I'm putting 5 quarts right back in. You get what I'm saying? That's go with the oil filter too, because all that's gonna add up. So if 5 quarts come out, 5 quarts going back in. That's why I always check the oil. Make sure it's good. Gonna check it again. Make sure the light is where it's supposed to be. Look who you see it. That's a good view right there. You see it's full. So that's about 5 quarts. I'm putting 5 quarts right back in. So next we're gonna check right here. The reason I'm checking right here, make sure ain't no sludge built up or nothing, because I just got through fixing the head gasket on here. You see it's clean. It's clean down there too. So that's good to know. That's good to know. Oh, just to let y'all know, if y'all don't watch We Hustle Daily, make sure y'all watch We Hustle Daily, because he bring out good content and he makes sure you won't get a limit. His website is whdacademy.com to make sure you won't get no limit. If you buy a car from somebody, he's going to show you how not to get a limit, how to get a good car. I always go to him. I tell you, go to his YouTube video. He bring out good content. And y'all remember about this last video I did about cleaning this motor? Look at it now. Still look good, huh? You know, it's just a little I got to get right though. Get a little something right there. There's water, you know. But I did a video about how to replace brake pads. I forgot about y'all. I really apologize. But next time when I bring out another video, I'm going to show y'all how to replace brake pads. But let's get straight to the video. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is push the e-brake up. Make sure your car in park. But sometimes it's like a little thing, like an e-brake you go push down. You're going to push it down. Sometimes it's the e-brake right there, but on most modern vehicles, the e-brake is right here. It's always important to put your e-brake up, because if you don't, your car can roll backwards or something can happen. Like for instance, just say I'm jacking up a car, and I'm jacking up a car. I put the jack stand by the floorboard, and I let the jacks down. Guess what's gonna happen? The jack stand gonna hit the floorboard and mess the floorboard up, and the car gonna be totaled. That's why I'm telling you, make sure you put your e-brake on. Make sure you put your e-brake on. You don't want the car to be running backwards. The next thing, I don't know about y'all, but you know, me, I wait for 50 minutes to an hour for the engine to cool down. You know I'm doing an oil change, so I don't gotta wait for the engine to cool down, but that's how I am, because some engineer wanna put the oil filter by the exhaust manifold. So, you know, so I had to wait. So I had to wait around about 50 minutes. But, you know, if you want to work on a hot engine, you can, because the oil is going to flow faster and better. But if you don't, you know, it is what it is. But let's get straight to the video of jacking up the car. So the tools you will need is some wheel chocks, a jack, and a 3-ton jack stand. And you don't need this, but I recommend you using it. You're gonna need a liner for the oil when you take the oil out, and motor oil. You see, I got 10W30 motor oil. Mine use 5W30, but the reason why I use 10W30 is because it's thicker. It's a thicker brand. That's why I use 10W30. You know, on some older model vehicles, it tell you to put 5W30, but you really can use 10W30, you know, 5W20. It's only on older vehicles. But about to get ready to change this oil. Let's get straight to the video. Okay, we're gonna get the wheel chocks. Put it up underneath the car, right there. Do the other side the same way. Okay, that's good. So we're about to go to eject the car. Make sure you tuned in. Let's get straight to it. Okay, so the first thing you want to do, remove the oil cap so the oil can flow better and easier. Just leave it like that. So I'm about to get down and change the oil right now. Okay, so the first thing you gotta do, I already had started this, so it's gonna be easier for me, but you don't even wanna leave the oil right next to you. Oil catch can, my bad. Now let me see how I'm gonna do this. I won't get oil on me. Hopefully y'all still can see. But this is what I'm about to do. Oh. Bring this close just in case. Okay, I'm ready now. Move this. Uh-oh, it's already coming up. Hey, watch that. I'm trying to see, can I do this TikTok trend that's been going on? Make sure no oil won't get on me or nothing. Look. Did it. No oil. You see my hands clean. I know y'all want to see it. Watch the oil flow out. Watch the oil flow out. Don't know what y'all said. Just look brand new a little bit. All that motor oil flowing out. Don't look that bad though. But next, I'm gonna have to take the oil filter out. But I'll get right back with y'all after this all finished going out. Stay tuned. Look, see how many quarts we took out? I don't think you can see it, but I can see it. Look, it's a 5 quarts. We took 5 quarts out. So we're gonna put 5 quarts back in. It's the old motor oil. We're gonna use some new motor oil. It's over there. I'm gonna show y'all how the oil filter look like though. Okay, y'all see the oil filter, where it's located at? I don't know if y'all can see the, oh, there you go, the exhaust manifold. You see the exhaust manifold right there, all the way to right here into the oil filter. So I had to wait till the motor cooled down. Hey, don't worry about all the oil. That's because I just loosened the oil filter. You know, some of the oil had came out. So, you know, well, I'm about to change it. I can't get this on video because, you know, it's gonna be hard for me. So I gotta stay focused. Stay tuned. Okay, I really apologize. I really apologize about the noise, but what I'm about to do is put this motor oil in the motor right now. I'm not gonna get it on footage because, you know, all that noise. So let's get straight to the video. You see, I just got through putting the motor oil in here. I put 5 quarts though, so let's go right there, throw that away. But we about to get ready to check the motor oil, see how I look. You see what mess I did? That's a shame, huh? That's a shame, huh? We about to get ready to check the motor oil, make sure it's good. Hold on, I'll be right back with y'all. They don't want to come out. You see, I got to get a new oil dipstick too. Hold on. I'll be having problems taking it out, so, you know, I'll be right back with y'all in a little bit. Stay tuned. Okay. So let's check the oil. Like I said, I really apologize about that noise. I can't do nothing about it. Nothing at all. We already wiped it off the first time, so check it out again. I really apologize from that noise. Okay, so Let me see, where is it? Okay, it's a good view. Look, you see? Hold on, I don't think you can see it, but I can see it. It's full. It's full. So I already had put an old motor all out. But okay, so what y'all gonna do next is push the e-brake up. Oh, come on, man.